Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you exactly how I made $500 online in just 7 days, using only my laptop, Wi-Fi, and a few smart strategies. No magic tricks, no scams, just real work that anyone can do from home. First, I focused on choosing the right platform. You don't need to be a tech expert. I picked a simple method: freelancing and affiliate offers. I created a free account on Fiverr and CPA Lead. Then I listed a small service and shared my referral links in targeted Facebook groups. Next, I drove traffic. I used Facebook and Instagram to post short, valuable content about my offers. People started visiting my links, and each click or small sale added up. By day 4, I'd already made my first $150. Once I saw results, I reinvested $20 in Facebook ads to reach a bigger audience. That's when the numbers jumped. By day 7, my total profit hit $500, and most of it was passive income coming in even while I slept. If I can do it, you can too. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on one method at a time. Follow for more real online income ideas, and let's grow together.